Okay, so now we talk about the types of ceramics. Okay, so type of ceramics is traditional ceramics. Okay, traditional ceramics means the ceramics which are commonly used in by ancient times, which is known as the traditionals, made from the naturally occurring raw materials like the clay, quartz, and fed shell. Examples of the bricks, tiles, porcelain, and pottery. These are the examples of your what ceramics. Okay, which are what kind of ceramics? The traditional ceramics. Okay, application: the construction, tableware, and decorative objectives. So where it is being used: constructions, tableware, and decorative objectives. If we talk about the advanced, I mean technical ceramics, then engineering, I mean the material that we have, you know, done some applications and modified the material so that to get the desired applications, desired properties. So engineered for specific high performance applications. Okay, so whatever the thing is available in nature that we are not required. We have a requirement of some different properties or some modified properties. Then what we do, some kind of the engineering application over the material. Then we get the material that is of our need. Okay, our requirement. Example of alumina. Okay, silica carbide, zirconia. These all are also the ceramics, but these are the advanced ceramics. And these are, you can say, these are the new ceramics which are being used. Zirconia is a very, little bit costly materials. Okay, but they are having the high hardness. They are mostly used in teeth. Okay, teeth materials are being used in zirconia, right? Because the teeth, I mean, that we are having in our mouth, they they must be very harder. So, what the have you ever seen any kind of scratches over teeth? No, because they are of the hard materials. That's why replacement of that teeth must be of the harder material as well. So, zirconia have the uh, you know uh, look like a similar look properties of the teeth material. That's why I mean the good teeth replacement of the zirconia material. Okay, if we talk about the application in aerospace, electronics, medical equipment, and the cutting tools. Cutting tools, I mean, they all needs a high strength, okay, high hardness, and less weight. I mean, if we talk about the aerospace, what do we need? We need the strength must be high because at the higher altitude, okay, they have the high collision, they have the higher friction. I mean, the air molecules, they are touching at a very high speed to the surface of the airplane or the aerospace crafts. They must be resistive. Okay, they must be corrosion resistant so that you could not erode the material. Okay, and must have the lightweight because we are just lifting above, so we need we have a requirement of the less weight. Okay, so that we can have the less fuel consumptions. Okay, so these all are the I mean the properties that a material behave exhibit. According to that, we basically define the applications.